In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run a query in Microsoft Access. So a query basically allows you to ask the database a question, or in another way, what it can do is it allow us to filter the information on a particular table, or it can be a couple of tables. So for example, we have a table with witness details here, and we have information such as their suspect ID, their surname, forename, gender, and so on, and these are all the fields. So in the query that I want to run, I want to find out all the females who were in the vicinity at the time of a crime scene. So we've got in vicinity, which means whether they're in the area or not. So if they were in the area, this tick box would be selected, so it will be ticked, and we want to sort it by all the females as well. So what we do is we'll start off by clicking on Create, and we go to Query Design. There's other ways you can create queries, but we're going to use the Query Design method in this video tutorial. So I click on Query Design, and the table I want to add in is the witness. So I click on Add, and then close this. And then I want to add in all the fields. So I want to select all the fields in this table. So I'm holding down the Shift key and moving down the field list by selecting the downward button on the keyboard. And I've selected all the fields, and now I hold down the Control button, the CTRL button on the keyboard, and I left click on the mouse and I drag all the fields into the area down here. Now in this query I want the gender to equal female, and I want to sort it by vicinity too. So I want to find all the females who are in the vicinity. So under vicinity, we've got down here the criteria. So the criteria number 1 is where the gender equals female, and in vicinity I want it to be yes, so they're in the area at the time. And now to run the query, I click on this Run button down here. So I hit the Run button, and this will give me a list of all the females. So we can see here we've got a list of all the females who were in the vicinity or in the area at the time of a particular crime scene. And you can save this query by just selecting the Save button up here, and you can give it an appropriate name. Click on OK, and you can see your witness query there, the one that we've just created, and you can close that. So that is how you create a query in Microsoft Access. Thank you for watching.